Hey everyone, welcome to BT Cards. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be opening up two formats of Prizm. As you guys can see in front of me, we have two value packs, and then we have two blaster boxes of Prizm. We already opened up some of these on the channel, but we're just going to do it again to get a better, overview of the product. So we just opened some off camera, and we probably had one of the best boxes ever. We had this Bryce Young Disco right here, and then we also had Anthony Richardson, and some other great rookies. Hopefully we can do that again right now. So I think we're just going to start off with the value pack since we haven't opened any of these. I'm going to go ahead and move the camera down. Okay, here we go. Let's get a CJ. Still haven't pulled any of his. First time opening up the value packs. Hang on, before we get to this, I'm going to see what we can pull. So, let's see. Okay, so look, that's all we can pull. There's hardly anything in there. Oh, sorry. So we obviously want to get the red. So there's a red, white, and blue. There's green, some green stuff, and then so I think it's pretty much the same as the blaster boxes. So here we go. All right, we got Miles Sanders, Buda Baker, Rodney Thomas, Austin Hooper, Antoine Winfield, Mac Jones, Javon Curse, Sam Laporta. Nice, right away. So first value pack, we have a great rookie. Man, the Lions choked. They had the 49ers. That was that was awful. I was pulling for them. All right, there we go. So we have we have two greens. So we have a Sky Moore and Jamar Chase. Not bad. And then we have three red, white, and blues. So Harrison Smith, Darius Slayton. Let's get a rookie. No. Tyler Boyd, and then Tony Pollard. So we might get, we might get two greens and three red, white, and blues each pack. I don't know. We'll see. CJ fell down. All right. Oh, my word. There we go. All right. Second, oh my word. Yeah, we'll just leave it. It's fine. Second pack. All right, CD Lamb, Gabriel Davis, Javonte Williams, Chris Jones, Bradley Chubb. Base. Okay, these are rookies. It's got Kendre Miller, Jamar Chase, Silver. Not terrible. So we have two greens again. So I think we get two greens and three red, white, and blues each pack. So Jameis Winston and TJ Watt on the emergent. Then a red, white, and blues. Travis Etienne, Brandon Ayuk, and a rookie, Hendon Hooker. Hey, we'll take it. Then a prismatic George Kittle. So a rookie back, red, white, and blue. I don't really know what they're going to do with him. They have Jared Goff, so I don't know. But it's rookie quarterback. All right, here are the big boys. We got two blaster boxes. So once again, we got 6 packs, 4 cards per pack. The goal, once again, is just get a CJ. Whoa, sorry. All right, here we go. All right, first card, we got Tyler Algier. Tank Dell. So I really like the Texans when they have the red uniforms on. I wish they had a CJ with him in those because I think that would look really cool. But nice solid rookie to start off. And we have Mark Brunell and Darren Waller. Oh yeah, by the way, these are the target boxes, so we get 5 discos per box, and then we get 1 silver. So Cortland Sutton, Justin Jefferson, Packers, Sean Clifford. I mean, it's okay, but not the player we're looking for. This is our, I think it's 3rd pack. So we have our silver in this pack. Is that DeJuan Johnson? Silver, Stephon Gilmore, and then Nick Bosa. Alright, we're halfway through the box. This hasn't been very good. Alright, Brandon Cooks, Jimmy G, Jalen Carter. I mean, we'll take it, because we kind of need something here. Still, this has been a dusty box. Alright, last 2 packs of box 1. Kyler Murray, Zay Jones, Giants. My goodness. I don't even think we've had a rookie on the disco yet. Oh, actually, yeah. Sorry, we did. We had the Jalen Carter and the Sean Clifford. My bad. We just haven't had any good rookies on the disco. Dawson Knox, Chris Rodriguez, Browns, Jerome Ford, Devontae Adams Fireworks. Ugh, that was not very great. But second box, here we go. Alright, 6 more packs. We got Lamar, Christian Gonzalez, the Dolphins, Christian Wilkins, and Derek Carr. Already off to a bad start in box 2. Come on, let's go. Let's get something good here. Alright, John Elway, Aaron Jones, Bengals rookie, DJ Turner, and Kyle Duggar. My goodness. Come on. So we have a silver I can see in this pack. Start off DJ Moore. Hey, Rashee Rice. So finally, I have a good rookie. We'll just top load it to make us feel a little bit better. So we got Rashee Rice. That's really only our main. Well, we did have the Sam Laporta first pack. Really, outside of that, it's been pretty bad. Then we got Buda Baker on the silver and Jeffrey Simmons. See, Prizm is just so hit and miss. Because if you hit, then you're like, we had a box earlier. It was just, we were on fire. And then you go like this and you're just getting nothing. All right, we got Michael Mayer on the disco and Trey Lance. All right, last 2 packs. Okay, James Conner, Ben Skoranek, the Jets, Zach Wilson, and Brian Dawkins. Wow. Last pack. We need something here. Is that prismatic? Okay, let's pull another prismatic CJ. We got disco as well. So Josh Allen, Zach Charbonnet, Cardinals, Kyler Murray, and then Mahomes. Hey, we'll take it. Take a Mahomes prismatic. So that was all that we have to open up for this video. So we'll do a quick recap after I get this Mahomes in there. All right. So recap, we have, so I think that's just we'll just do it all together. So Jalen Carter on the disco, Sean Clifford on the disco, Tank Dell base rookie, Hayden Hooker red, white, and blue, Jamar Chase silver, Jamar Chase hype green, and then our best 3 pulls, we have the Sam Laporta base rookie, Rashee Rice base rookie, and then our prismatic Patrick Mahomes. So overall, the blasters, I mean, I don't know what to think because it's hard because they're, like I said earlier, they're hit and miss. Value packs, I like how they give you the red, white, and blues. I don't know, I'd rate those maybe 5 out of 10. Blasters maybe 7 out of 10. But yeah, so that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on BT Cards.